Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, the problem number 155. A tetrahedron of 55 mm sides rests on one of its corners such that an edge containing that corner is inclined to HP at 50 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. Draw its projections. How to solve this problem? By using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the auto mode. The command is limits enter, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom or then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the cursor to the left side and take the distance as 297, and take the cursor to the top side and take the distance as 210. Take the cursor to the left side and take the distance as 297 and say close. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.5x. Now we have the layer command. So click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name locus, click on new, type the layer by name axis, click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden. Then you click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Now we know to go for layer 0. Layer 0 will go into get the projector lines. So all the projector lines will be of 0.05. So take the line weight as 0.05. Layer XY will go into be 0.13. And then the locus line again will be 0.05. And the axis line will also be 0.05. Then we have the front view as 0.5. And the top view will also have 0.5. And the front view hidden will going to be of 0.3 and the top view hidden will also of 0.3. Then we go to the top view hidden, click on load, type H and OK, and then click on load, type the layer by name center, line type, and click on load, type the layer by name dash dot and OK. So you just go to hidden and say OK. So the front view hidden will also be of hidden line type. Then we have the axis line which is continuous, you make it center, okay, and the locus line will going to click on the line type of locus layer, and which is by default it is continuous, you make that as dash dot, and then the axis will have magenta color, and then the front view will going to have red color, and the top view will going to have blue color, and again the front view hidden will going to be of red color, and the top view hidden will going to be of blue color. Say OK and then close it. Now we go for the first one, the polygon of 25 mm side. So you just go to polygon and take the number of sides as 3, take the edge option and you take it as 55. Once you do that, you just go to line, take int of this and take midpoint. Then you go to line, take int of this and take midpoint of this, and then just go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this. Now then you just select all this, go to layer, take the layer as top view and put the line weight display on. Then escape, then go to move, select this and move it to the top side. Now we go for a line command and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical line, and go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and from here go to circle, take int of this and take the radius as 55. Then go to break this circle till here and break this circle till here. Then go to erase, then go to trim, select this and you trim this portion. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take int of this. Now so now we have this. Then you go to fillet between these two and also fillet between these two. And now we have go to break this line till here. So this will going to be the axis line. Go to layer, take this as axis and take the distance as 10. Now once you get this, you just click on this and you click on this and click on this. Go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now we just go to copy this, the entire thing, and you copy it to the next position and then just go to erase this, then go to zoom window. Now we need to rotate this by an angle of 50 degrees. So to do that, so here first we will go to line, take int of this and take at the rate 100 less than 50 degrees. Now we need to rotate this. You just go to rotate, select this entire thing and then go to base point. You take int of this and take the reference angle from here, int of this and take int of this, and this has to come on the nearest point on this line. So once you do that, so here we will going to get this angle. So now we just go to dim and go to angle, just go to dim and take A, select between this and U between this. So you're going to get that angle as 50 degrees. So to get this, you just go and see here. Of course, we have not yet started the dimensioning variables. We have not set that. So that is the reason why you are not getting this. Then go to move, select this and move it inside. So now we will go for a line command, draw a line from intersection and you draw a horizontal line. And from here, you take this on this side. Similarly, you just go to line and draw a horizontal line, and from here line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then just go to fillet between these two. Now we need to go for a line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical line. And then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then we have int of this and take int of this. Then go to int of this and take intersection point of this. Now we have all the lines. Then just go to fillet between these two. So now we have this zoom previous. Now we have zoom window. Now we go to break. Select first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break. Select first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break. Select first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now we have this all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So then just go to layer, take that layer as top view. Then you just click over these three and you make this as top view hidden. So once you do that, you just take it as 20. So now you just click on this line and go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and you take it as 3. So once you do that, so you're going to have this. Now we need to rotate such that it will going to be 30 degrees. So to do that, so you just go to line, take nearest point on this and take at the rate 100 less than minus 150 degrees. So now we have this line. So now we need to go for DDIM. Then you just click on modify, then go to primary units. The precision is up to second decimal point. So take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above. You take this dimension as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, lines offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we have dim. So take intersection point of this edge. So we are taking the edge. So since it is the edge, so you have this edge, take 35.35. So go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 55. Then you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. And now you just go to break this circle and you break this arc here. Then go to fillet between this line and this line and go to circle, take center of this and take the radius as 35.35. Now we have erase this, then go to break this here and also break this here. Then just go to erase, then go to copy, you select this entire thing and just take endpoint of this or intersection to center of this line. Now we need to go for rotate, so go to rotate, select this entire drawing and go to remove these lines and go to base point. You take int of this and take 182, take the reference and you take the intersection point of this and int of this, and this point has to be on this edge. Now once you get this, so you go to break and break this line. Similarly you break this, then you select this line and go to layer, make that layer as locus layer and then you just go to 5. So you can see that. So here the locus layer will be of this. Now you take move, you just bring it down, then you just go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Now we have this point, so this point is this. So just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and you draw a horizontal line and take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then just go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly you just go to line and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this now. So here then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So now we have the drawing. Once you have the drawing, now we need to break this line. So go to first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. Which are all the surface? So this surface is visible. Go to layer, make that layer as front view, and the edges which are invisible are these two edges. So this edge, this is the edge, okay, this is the axis. So the edge which is invisible is this line. Go to layer, make that layer as front view hidden and you make this as 20 mm. So once you do that, so you have this line and then you just go to this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis and change it to 10. Now we have this. So similarly you just click on this and you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as XY line. So change this to XY line. Now we just go to break this line till here and you break this line till here, and now we go to DDIM and go to modify, go to primary units, make it 0 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim and take intersection point of this and take int of this. So we have 55. Similarly int of this and take int of this. So here you just take 55 and then just go to angular, select between this line and this line, you're going to get 50. Then again go to angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get 30. Then again angular, select between this line and this line, so you're going to get text, give space, enter. So here you will going to get this as beta. Then you just go to dim TED, text edit dimension, you select this and take it here, which is 30 degrees. Then you take 50 degrees and you bring it here. So once you do that, then you just go to dtext, select this point, take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, type X and you type Y, and here you type VP and here you type HP. Then you mark this as small a, B and C. Here it is O and here it is O1 in bracket. So this is O dash, so this is A dash, this is B dash, and this is C dash in bracket, and this is O1 dash. Once you do that, then you just go to zoom window, then you just go to move this B, then zoom previous and zoom window, then just go to move, A, then you have C, then you have O, then you have O1, then zoom previous, then zoom window, then you have X, you have VP, you have HP, you have A dash, you have C dash, you have O1 dash, you have B dash, you have O dash. Then once you do that, so you have a HP, C, A, O1, O and B. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you just click on all these things. Then go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you just come down to zoom window. Now you just go to copy. So you copy this B dash here, you copy this O1 dash here, and you copy this A dash here, and you copy this C dash here, and here it should be O dash. So once you do that, so you have a B, copy A, then you have B, you have C, you have O, you have O, you move B, then you have O1, copy, you have O1 now in bracket. Then you have zoom previous, then you just move this A, move, then we have copy, so you copy O here, you copy A, you copy B, then you have C, you have O1, then D text, you have here, you take it as A dash, you take it as B dash, you take it as C dash, you take it as O dash, here as O1 dash. Then you just go to zoom window, then go to move O dash, and this as B dash, and this as O1 dash, this as C dash, and this as A dash. So you just click on this. So you just go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now once you do that, so this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So you just click on this, then go to formatting, go to symbol, select symbol, type font and type font letter B, which will going to give you beta. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this drawing and this drawing is exactly similar. So this is the final solution, how a tetrahedron with one of its corners on HP, such that the edge containing the corner makes an angle of 50 degrees with HP and 30 degrees with VP. So this is your final solution. Thank you.